Add a concrete material. Change projection to triplanar. Rotate the material a little bit to get some variation. Remove the cracks because we don't need them on our bricks. Change the color to yellow. Go to the hide channel and reduce it. Add a fill layer to add more color and hide variation. Increase the roughness. Change the color to light yellow. Add a black mask and add fill. Drag and drop the grunge rock texture to the grayscale. Set projection type to triplanar. Depending on the model, I will set 4 as the texture scale. Put a small negative value to the height field. Tweak some grunge parameters until you get decent height and color variation. Add another fill layer. In this time, I set darker color value than the previous one. Increase the roughness, put a small negative height value to this layer too. Add a black mask. Add a fill. Use triplanar projection. Drag and drop a dirt texture to the grayscale. Here, I'm going to set the texture scale to 8. Add another fill mask with a dirt grayscale. Set blend mode to screen. Increase the scale as same as the previous one. Use triplanar for this fill mask too. Now let's add a brick cavity by adding another fill layer. Set base color to dark yellow. Increase roughness value. Add a black mask. Add a brick texture to grayscale with triplanar enabled. Here, I'm going to create modern looking large bricks, not like the reddish color bricks. So decrease the number Y value. Decrease gap X and gap Y. Add another fill for the mask. Add grunge roughcast for the grayscale. Set blend mode to screen. Now duplicate the bricks effect and move it top of the grunge effect. Set blend mode to multiply. Increase the bevel. Put a negative value for the height. Let's tweak some of the settings. Finally, let's add some leaks and dust. Create a fill layer. Change color to dark brown. Increase the roughness. Add a black mask. Add a fill. Add a grunge texture as per your preference. For the modern type bricks like this, it is better to decrease the dirt level. Add another fill and drag and drop a leak texture. Set blend mode to screen. Set projection type to triplanar. Move the leak texture until you get decent leaks on your model. Let's increase the scale a little bit. Set offset value to 2 in both brick textures. You can add more edge wear by adding a paint layer and paint on the brick edges. Thank you for watching. See you next time.